This is coming in from the hallway, the living room. There's the kitchen right off to the side. Leaving the kitchen. There's the bathroom. A hall closet. One of the bedrooms. And the other bedroom. There's a closet by the bathroom. And I'm trying to get how big the bedrooms are.